Hello everyone! In this video, I want to show you how to make a face mask like this. Let's get started. First, make a paper pattern. I make men's size mask. 16.5 cm side to side, 16.5 cm top to bottom, and 9 cm at the end of the mask. Second, cut the handkerchief into paper pattern. You will need 2 cuts out from handkerchief and 2 from old t-shirts. I didn't have proper marker for fabric. Please don't mind that I used eyebrow pencil. I usually make travel vlog for YouTube. However, I wanted to share this video with everyone. I believe that in this pandemic time, it's hard to get any product for self-protection. So I want to share how to make your own mask using materials that you can find in your home. For this mask, I need only handkerchief and old t-shirts. Now I got 4 pieces of fabric. Place 2 pieces of fabric together. This one too. And stitch the front line of mask. It will be 2 layers. Handkerchief is outside, t-shirt is inside. If you have a sewing machine, it will be much easier and time-saving. It will look like this. If you have a time, open the fabric and iron to make the stitch look nicer. Let's stitch the t-shirt fabric. I have 2 pieces of mask-shaped fabrics. Now, place these 2 pieces together. Make sure both fabric stitches are facing out. Then stitch the top and bottom. Here, I'm done with top and bottom stitches. Then, gently, I turn the mask inside out. You can see it's almost done. At the end, fold the both side edge and hem. It looks like this. I need elastic band, but I don't have any. Whatever you have, you can use it. Be creative. I used t-shirt fabric cut into 2 strings. Then I pulled the strings a bit hard to make it look more like elastics. Use hairpin to thread elastic, in my case t-shirt strings, through the hem. That's it, all done. This is men's size, so it's too big for me. For girls, I made 13.5 cm instead of 16.5 cm, top to bottom, side to side, and 9 cm at the end of the mask. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and give me thumbs up. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Vancouver Canada. Thank you. Bye-bye.